Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan Nahar. Basically, I am working as a software delivery head. Today, basically, we are going to talk about one more word that is formula. Formula word basically itself says that it's a formula and set of parameters are there, which is defined by the set of groups, and according to that, basically, set of results occurs. So basically, here basically formula is a keyword that also depends upon the for which department for which area that formula is getting used. So basically I will take few examples. This basically formula word is also going to take few parts, basically same as the project part we have already taken project word basically. So basically formula basically if we see in accounting field, in accounting field formula is totally different. There basically set of parameters are defined by the accounts department that are basically the set of groups basically they have defined that basically we can say a chartered accountant groups, costing groups, they basically have defined the set of parameters and according to that basically the accounts works basically, and then at last basically the balance sheet also gets prepared basically. So that basically to prepare that balance sheet only there are set of formulas used basically. So here basically we are talking about the project formulas basically. Project formulas means you are doing one project, you are for example you are doing one CRM project, and to finish this project you have to do certain plans basically. You have to do set of tasks. You have to after finishing the project you have to do set, you have to collect the set of parameters. You have to you have to calculate their parameters, and you have to set some set of results also, that this result has came due to this parameter, this result has came due to this parameters. So result are also prepared by the set of parameters that are basically set of formulas only. So basically we can say from set of parameters which is defined by the project management plan groups, and they have defined the set of parameters and they are telling that from this all parameters, after by doing these all parameters and setting the this all parameters and by calculating these all parameters, by having these all formulas, we can able to achieve the set of result what basically we want. So they have calculated everything. They have done the R&D according to the set of projects they have done. They have done the case studies. They have done the lots of case studies of the lots of companies. After that only they have reached it. Basically previously there was no like PMP, VMP. Previously basically they were defined. They are lots of companies basically was just doing the projects in Excel file. If they have created some project management tool, then basically they were doing this. So basically entire SDLC was just calculating like that only. So after that basically then PMP came basically into picture. So PMP group have defined set of formulas. After set of doing that formulas, then you came into you basically come into result of this. You that if you want this result, then basically you have to use these formulas. According to these formulas, this result came into picture. So basically, there are many reports also getting prepared from set of formulas basically. So basically, burn down chart is there, burn up chart is there. There are many reports basically. WS reports are there, WBS basically work background structure reports are there. There are many reports also getting prepared from set of formulas. So basically, so formula keywords itself says that we are doing the set of plus minus division calculations. According to that, you will reach to certain results. You will reach to certain conclusions, and according to the conclusion, you can able to take the decision of the project. Basically, for example, you are at the middle of the project and you want some calculation, then basically you want some result, basically what is the status of the project, up to what level the project budget is ongoing, what is the earned value, what is the actual cost basically at that time period, basically when the project was planned that time, basically what was the actual cost defined, what is the earned value basically at this particular certain time, each and every parameters, what is the CPI, what is the SPI, what basically has done, what are the parameters we have set it, according to that basically what result we got. So basically, there are many things basically which is getting covered in this project management plan. That is, in project management plan, there is basically one word, that is formula. So according to the formula, we are doing certain plans. We have done certain plans. For example, that we have done in one company, we have finished 100 projects. So 100 projects we have finished. So according to that, basically we got certain results. So of that 100 projects, the result which we got, according to that basically we are doing certain plans. For that basically we have to do some calculation, right? Plus minus division. So basically this entire formula calculations, everything basically that we have to do, because other than, we can't calculate things, you know, basically we can't reach to certain conclusion basically in 100 project. How many project were basically came up to the result, means the on time the project was calculated, one time the project was done, on time the project was done, and then the on within budget the project was done, which was over budgeted project, which was not done, which project was not done on the time, etc., etc. Basically there are many things basically which we are going to see in this formula word. So basically this is part one of the formula word. In next part, basically that is part two, in we will see little bit more about the formula keywords. Basically this is Sunil R. Nair signing off for now.